PowerSense 50-watt USB-C power delivery to cigarette lighter adapter. So about this adapter, this is basically a USB-C power delivery trigger. So it can trigger the various voltages between 5 volts and 20 volts, but your power supply device must support those voltages also. And it can pass up to 50 watts, which is great. A long press on the button will trigger the different voltages. Now once you have the voltage that your device needs, a quick double press will save that as a default, so it will start up with that voltage next time when you see CL. Then you can turn the display off with a single tap. Now let's see if it can charge my DJI Mavic Air batteries and controller using the card cigarette lighter adapter. This adapter has an input range of 12 to 16 volts and can pull more than 50 watts. I hooked it up to my Anker Prime power bank. Now this has an app so I can monitor how much power it's using, and it's charging both of the batteries and the controller just fine. Outputting almost 40 watts, charging both batteries and the controller. You can see the adapter triggered the 15 volt setting. Now the DJI batteries were at a high state of charge, so it could pull more power at a lower state of charge. I also tried it with this USB-C power delivery power supply that I use to power my laptop when I travel, and it worked fine with this. This supports all the USB-C power delivery voltages also. So now when I travel with my drone, I can leave behind the heavy power brick that came with it and just use this, which I already have. The 2024 Tesla Model 3 Highland also supports up to 65 watts of power delivery, so I tried it there and it also worked fine. I've tried a bunch of these before and I've never had one that supported up to this much power, 50 watts. Now be careful, because the devices that are connected to the cigarette lighter plug are going to want between 12 and 15 volts. You don't want to trigger 20 volts or 5 volts unless it's a specific device that you wired into the connector. This should be enough to power a lot of devices like radar detector, dash cams, and maybe even a small refrigerator. Remember to subscribe for more videos about Rivian, Tesla, Wi-Fi, and tech products.